again. And I have a camera hiding in my desk at school, so that when anyone sees it, right now, we're watching a movie, and everybody thinks it's super awesome. I'll tell you how it goes when it's over. Bye! Hi, it's Ed again, and the movie's over, and the teacher said she really liked it. That was the awesomest video I ever saw. Really? Guess what, everyone? Julie thought my video was awesome!
That was the stupidest video I ever saw.
Who asked you, Evan? Well, anyways, I better get going so nobody finds the camera. Bye! Hi, it's Ed! I'm back from school. Anyways, you're probably wondering what the video is all about, so I'll show it to you. Hope you enjoy it. Bye!
Now let me get back to my song. I was the one who interrupted you.
Hi, it's Ed again! And I'm gonna crank up the volume on my music 'cause I'm celebrating 'cause everyone except for Evan liked my video!